simple chicken dinner, and it's going to be basically a one-pot wonder. What we're doing today, it's a Mexican or Spanish-inspired chicken breast baked in some chickpeas with some tomato passata, peppers and chorizo flavoring, and of course including some onion. So let's get cooking. The minor incident. So next thing we're going to do, 3 tins of chickpeas go in the base, and I'm going to do this really weird way, and I'm not going to mix it all together right away. I'm going to put a chicken breast on top. The whole idea, we're trying to make it really simple and really easy. They're big ones, those ones. Right, chicken breast on top. I'm going to put some half of the tomato passata on top. Probably really doesn't matter how you do it, but this is how I do it. Right, I've got some onion. Let's sprinkle this around. Okay, try to get this into the pan, that'll help. Okay, we've got some chorizo sausage. Sprinkle this around. Try not to put this on the top because that's what normally cooks in first. Okay, it smells really good. And we've got 3 peppers going all over the top. Don't forget, you have to mix this up a little bit whilst it's cooked, so it doesn't matter that they are on the top of the chicken. And the first time, it will create a little sort of heat pocket there for chicken to cook nicely without burning the top. And we'll put in the other half of our tomato passata on top. You can season this to taste if you choose to. I feel that I get plenty of the spice from chorizo anyway, so I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to put foil on top, and it's going to go in our oven at about 180 degrees for about an hour. So let's get in.